While I was out looking for yamadori, I found this amazing Prunus tree. What immediately caught my eye was this really nice twisted trunk. It's probably because the soil here is acidic. I think this is going to be an awesome Literati style bonsai. I've decided to shorten the trunk by getting rid of this branch right here, and I'm going to chop the trunk off right about here. That way, this will be the future trunk line. I'm also sealing the wounds with cut paste to prevent moisture loss and keep out any pathogens. Now it's time to take this tree out of the ground. I won't show the full collection process in this video, but if you want all the details, check out the full step-by-step video linked down in the description. Luckily, in this case, there weren't many large roots, so the collection was pretty easy. Since the trip home is going to take about 3 hours, I watered the roots before wrapping them up in a plastic bag. This is important to prevent them from drying out on the way back. And remember, always to fill and cover the hole where you collected the tree. Now that we're back home, it's time to set up the pot and to prepare the substrate. Firstly, I secured the tree into the pot using aluminum wire. Here, I placed a small piece of rubber to protect an underlying root from the wire. This way the wire won't cut into the bark and leave any ugly marks. For the repotting mix, I used a substrate made of perlite, pumice, and cocoa coir. To get rid of any air pockets, I'm just pushing the substrate down with this chopstick. This is what the tree looks like after repotting. Next, I gotta clean all this moss off the trunk. Leaving it on there too long can damage the bark. This is what the tree looks like once I've removed the moss and given it a good watering. This is the final result. Close to the Prunus, I also found this other tree which has a broken and folded over trunk. Despite all that, one vein actually survived and managed to produce 2 new branches that have straightened right up. I think this tree could also become a really interesting bonsai. I'm definitely coming back next time to collect this one. So, to make the future collection easier, I'm going to start preparing the tree by shortening the longest branches. Next time, I'm collecting this tree as well, and I'll be making a whole video about it, so you definitely don't want to miss that.